Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material is cyclohexylidene, acetic acid, which has the structure cyclohexane is equal to CH, CH2, CO2H, an exocyclic alkene with an acetic acid side chain. Moving on to the next step. First equivalent of CH3Li deprotonates the carboxylic acid, CO2H plus CH3Li, CO2-Li plus CH4. Second equivalent of CH3Li acts as a nucleophile and adds to the carboxylate. The carboxylate becomes a ketone equivalent after workup, i.e., it forms a dianion intermediate. Upon acidic workup, H+, the dianion gives a methyl ketone. Specifically, excess organolithium reagent converts a carboxylic acid to a methyl ketone, RCO to H plus to RLi, R-CO CH3, after hydrolysis. So compound A is cyclohexylidene, acetic acid converted to a methyl ketone. The product is 1-cyclohexylidene, 2-propanone. More precisely, the acid RCH to CO2H becomes RCH to CH3. Thus A is equal to cyclohexylidene, acetone, i.e., the compound cyclohexane is equal to CH, CH2, CO, CH3. But actually the starting material is cyclohexylidene, CH2, CO2H, so A is equal to cyclohexylidene, CH2, CO, CH3. Moving on to the next step. Compound A contains a methyl ketone group, CO, CH3. The iodoform reaction, I2NaOH, cleaves methyl ketones, R-CO CH3 plus 3I2 plus 4NaOH, R-CO-Na plus CH3 plus 3Ni plus 3H2O. So the CH3 portion is replaced by CO-Na plus, releasing CH3 iodoform precipitate. And for the final step, A is equal to cyclohexylidene, CH2, CO, CH3. After iodoform reaction, the CH3 becomes CO-Na plus. B is equal to cyclohexylidene, CH2, CO-Na plus is equal to sodium cyclohexylidene acetate. This corresponds to option A. The sodium salt with the structure cyclohexane ring with exocyclic double bond and CH2 CO-Na plus. B has an extra CH2 group, propionic acid chain, which is not consistent with the starting material. C lacks the exocyclic double bond, shows cyclohexyl CH2 CO2Na, a saturated system. D shows CO2Na directly on the cyclohexane ring without any exocyclic alkene or methylene chain. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.